Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 20 hottest female wrestlers ever. Number 20, Becky Lynch. Anne Irish Lynch is one of the hottest female wrestlers that spice up the sport in the WWE. She started her career as a wrestler in 2002 but had a pause as a result of a head injury she sustained in 2006. The injury made her stay off the ring for 6 years. There were speculations that the injury might be the end of her career as a wrestler. Number 9, Natalya Neidhart. Natalya Neidhart takes the 19th spot on our WWE Hottest Female Wrestlers list. Born in the year 1982, Natalya is a third-generation wrestler and is one of the great wrestlers to reckon with in the WWE space. One factor that might be considered a favor on Natalya's side is her marriage to Tyson Kidd. Number 80, Rosa Mendes. Performing in the 2006 edition of Divas Search, Rosa was announced to occupy the third position in the competition. Going through her career, Rosa did not miss any of the brands of her time. What added to Rosa's reputation was her position as a main cast in the reality show Total Divas. Number 17, Ravishing Russian Lana. Lana was born in Florida and started her career in pro wrestling as a manager managing Rusev. Though her parents, who hailed from Portugal and Venezuela, have no connection with Russia, Lana is known to use Russian as her accent while performing. Number 16, Brooke Tasmancher Adams. Born in 1984, Brooke Tasmancher with the ring name Brooke Nicole is also known simply as Adam. Adam did not have a long career with just a few in-ring appearances. However, Adam has made a huge success in her TNA career. She got married to a personal trainer with whom she has 2 children. Number 15, Ronda Rousey. Another pretty wrestler making it to our list in Ronda Rousey. Ronda is one of the women earning the highest salary as a female wrestler. This is as a result of her in-ring great performance. Ronda is not just a pro wrestler, she has been featured in various movies such as Miles 22 and Fast and Furious 7. Number 14, Liv Morgan. Liv Morgan was not privileged to know her father and was raised only by her mother along with her 5 siblings. Ever since her childhood, she had developed an interest in pro wrestling and did everything to make sure her dream came true. Finally, in 2014, she became a WWE superstar with the ring name Marley. Number 13, Paige. Paige is the youngest wrestler ever to win Divas Champion. She launched into wrestling at the age of 13 and has significantly impacted the ever-busy world of pro wrestling. Paige came into the limelight when she won both NXT Women's Championship and Divas Championship. This made her the first female wrestler to win the 2 belts at the same time. Number 12, AJ Lee. When it comes to the most accomplished female wrestler, AJ Lee is one we cannot afford not to mention in her career. She won many belts before retiring in April 2015. Some wrestling fans believed her retirement to be born from her husband's exit from the company. Number 11. Peyton Royce. Born in 1992 in Australia, Royce competed in Indies before going on to make her debut in NXT in 2018. We think she has an appealing look, which has earned her more fans. Tell us if we got this wrong. And yes, Royce is one of 4 favorite WWE hottest female wrestlers pick. Number 10. Maria Kanellis. When it comes to wrestling, Maria Kanellis is a veteran. She has performed as a stable manager and as a pro wrestler. Kanellis did not only perform in pro wrestling, but also she has been featured in several movies. Her first appearance in WWE was in 2014 as a backstage interviewer. Number 9. Alexa Bliss. Born in 1991, Alexa came into the wrestling space in 2013 and she has achieved a lot. Alexa Bliss was the first wrestler to have both Raw and SmackDown Women's Champion in her gallery. She earned more reputation in the industry when she won an Elimination Chamber match, as she was the first female wrestler to do so. Number 8. Michelle McCool. Michelle McCool, one of the most reputable female wrestlers of her time, was discovered in the 2004 edition of Divas Search. In 2009, she won the WWE Women's Championship and also captured the Divas Champion to become the first women wrestler to do so. She was formerly married to her school boyfriend, Jeremy Lewis. Number 7. Nikki Bella. She was assigned to FCW when she signed a contract with WWE in 2007. Her debut as a wrestler was with her sister in November 2008. In 2015, Bella became the Diva of the Year after being awarded Rolling Stone. At 20, she got married to her boyfriend, but the relationship only lasted for 3 years. Number 6. Tori Wilson. Born in 1975, Tori came to WWE when WCW was sold to the franchisee. Though she initially lacked the skill to succeed in the industry, she worked hard to improve herself. In 2003, Wilson got married to Billy Kidman, a former WWE superstar, only for the marriage to end in 2011. She was later aired to be in a relationship with Alex Rodriguez. Number 5. Eve Torres. Unlike most other WWE superstars who started their wrestling careers at an early age, Eve Torres was into dancing before being discovered when she won the 2007 edition of Divas Search. She was the first female wrestler to bag the WWE Divas Champion 3 times. Torres got married to Rayner Gracie, with whom she has 2 children. Number 4. Kelly Kelly. Born in 1987, Kelly started her career participating in gymnastics and cheerleading. She was initially a model when she was discovered and signed by WWE. Kelly bagged the 2011 edition of the WWE Divas Championship, which she held for 4 months. Number 3. Trish Stratus. Born in 1975, Stratus is successful to have been dubbed the Diva of the Decade. When Stratus came to WWE, she was in the center of several sexually themed storylines and went on to win the WWE Women's Champion 7 times. Number 2. Maryse. Born in 1983 in Canada, she began her career in non-wrestling roles. In 2016, she has won the Divas Champion on more than one occasion. Also, she is known to be the third longest holder of the award. Maryse is happily married to fellow WWE superstar The Miz, and they have a child together. Number 1. Stacy Keibler. Born in 1979 in the USA, she started her career as a manager for different superstars such as Scott Steiner and Test. Stacy came from WCW after it was sold to WWE. Known to have long legs, she was nicknamed the Legs of WCW and the Legs of WWE. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.